Hey guys, Gamerald's back, and today we are playing Epic Minigames. Oh. Okay, we'll just keep that. Can y'all hear me? Am I very loud? I don't know if I am. I've got 6 wins. Look at all the other people, how many wins they've got. Passives. Robux. Fighter, friendly, thinker, artist. 170, 170. I'm a scout. Okay, I want to leave. I want to go in here before these girls go in here. Darn it, they're going in here, which I went before that girl. She better not follow which way I'm going. Because I'm going a special way. I go this way. And then I go this way. And then I get the trophy and some Dr. Pepper. By chatting. You made me die by chatting. So. Stop! Let me get out. Hi, I am VIDEO. I'm video. I am. Oh, I don't like this game. I just want to stay in my little corner and cut someone if anyone. How do I cut? If anyone kills me, kill them back. No! I'm mad. R.I.P. Blood dry matter. Oh, I kind of don't like this one. Hi. Do you want W? Oh. Blow dryer in 2 seconds. No, someone punched me. Look how close I am. Here, I gotta stay in the middle. Oh my goodness. We gotta get this girl off. No! I ran out of time. Oh wait. To be in my vid. Hi, do I want to be my VI? Oh my goodness. Why can't I move? Okay, I can. Wait, what do I do? The manner will be to find your way out. No, never mind. No. I didn't win. I want to win. Rocket Rumble. That one, this one is okay. It's not the best. It's not that good. It's not that fun. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow. You'll be giving a rocket launcher in 8 seconds. One of the last 3. Be one of the last 3 alive. So I'm gonna try to be in the middle. It's reloading. I hate this. Very upset. We have 43 seconds, so I'm good to go to the place to the water slide. Oh, wait. I still need to go forward. Yeah, we gotta go that way. Now we gotta go that way. Okay, let's go. Woo! Now we gotta jump. Cannon cooldown. Boy! Wait, what'd he say? I only love it, y'all. Okay, multi-enemy pads will be power up the cannon before the other team. Power up what cannon? Oh. Go, 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 go. Get it, yes. The red team has won. Well done. I like the music. Whack-a-block. Oh, it's kind of like Whack-Jello. Oh, but someone's a Christmas tree. Or that, no. Oh, wait, so. Blocks start popping up. Okay. I know how to whack them. Kind of just whack a bunch. Just whack. This is hard because it's hard. Ah! Whack! Whack, whack. 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 Whack, whack, whack. 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 The blue team, 93 to 44, yes! Okay, I'm winning, and I like it. Now we We got to keep this streak on. Going underground. Oh, wait. Platform will start moving in 7 seconds. Stay alive until he reaches the other side. That was kind of difficult. I lost my streak. Let's see if I get money from winning. I just want to see. Or if I only get money from... It's like... whacking me. We're just gonna see. Do I? Yes, I get money. I dumped one. Bye. I guess we're gonna go. Hi. There was 3 winners. I'm not on that list. Sadly. We're gonna play one more minigame and then we're going to be out. King of the Hill. Okay. This game is okay. It's not the best. Oh. One will giving a ban hammer. In 7 seconds, stay on the hill for as long as you can. So he gets to get on the hill first. Ban. 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 Ah! Let me up. I need to stay on the streak. 17. Ban. No! I'm not gonna win. I'm stuck. Okay. Ah! It's hard. I just gotta stay on here for a little bit longer. Hashtags. Seconds. Stay hydrated. Okay. Drink it. How do I drink it? Oh, I gotta find it before I die. I'm about to die. No, I need that. Yes. Drink. Drink up. Drink up. Go get another. Go get another. Go get another. Go get another. I need water. I am hurting. I'm stuck. I'm about to die.
Well, guys, we're going to end the video right here. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button.